Hey guys, come on in. Okay, so today we're going to be doing Nashville Hot Maple Lollipops. You know, I've ordered these, like I think I ordered them on Jack on the Go at Party Foul, and they're really good. They look good, they sound exciting. I'm going to attempt to get a knife and clean these drumsticks. So we're going to get them prepped. I'm going to see how good I can do. And then, if I can, I'll wait till Tammy gets home. I'm not going to cut a finger off, I promise. But I feel motivated. I feel like life's good. I feel like I'm going to do more in the kitchen today. So I'm excited, and that means I'm going to be able to accomplish it. Okay, let's see if I can do this myself, okay? I'm going to... Let me put that at the very end there. Here we go. I'm only doing this to one leg. I'll have Timmy do the rest, but I want to see if I can get it done. I'm holding on to this leg. Okay. Cutting the meat all the way around. See how I'm doing this? So I'm creating a line. Basically, I want to remove all the meat. So I want the meat just up here. I don't want any of this meat. Okay, so let's see how we're doing that. Let's rotate this leg in my hand. Okay, let's keep it going. Whoops, right like that, don't cut myself. And basically, you're gonna trim all that off. You want just the bone. So I gotta keep going around. Okay, don't cut yourself. Be real careful. I got one little section here. Okay. So clean it up like that. Get the leg clean, get the skin off. So it looks like a lollipop of meat, okay? Let me get all the other ones done, and I'll meet you with the seasoning next. Okay, as you can see, we took the whole family pack of chicken legs. You don't have to do this many if you don't want. And we have cleaned them all. Okay, they're all the bottoms are cut and cleaned, and they're all skinned. And they're gonna look beautiful once they cook up. So we will season these next. You guys ready? Let's do it. So, it seems to be a race against time because we got the rain coming in and I'm barbecuing outside, but I've got the kettle grill under the patio, so it's covered, it's all cool. So let's get started on this. Come on in close and I'll show you what we got. 2 steps, all right? You get your chicken, you're gonna season with the Nashville Hot and cook the chicken. Then we're gonna dunk it in maple syrup. This is sugar-free maple syrup. We're gonna use that after we're done seasoning and cooking, okay? So let's go outside and get our fire started. There's our pond there. I think we're missing a few fish. Not sure what happened to them. We gotta check with the cats. All right, guys, as we're cooking on, we got some wood chunks. We got a few kind of wood sawdust fire starters down there. We're gonna light on fire to get this fire started. So as you can see, I got one of my fire starters started. We're gonna see if that'll take hold and get those wood chunks lit. See if we can get that going. This thing should be raging in a minute. Guys, the goal is we're gonna call them lollipops because we've trimmed them. There's no meat down here, it's just meat up here. So basically, you're just seasoning the meat. I'm gonna show you how to do one, then you can do them all like that, okay? So you don't want to season the bone, you just want to season the meat. And you can do it heavily. There you go. Okay. Then turn it over and do the other side. There we go. There we go. There's one. Okay, here you go. They're all seasoned. They're all ready to go. Keep the seasoning off the bone part. It looks better presentation-wise, but you're not chewing on the bone anyway. You only want the flavoring on the meat. So that's what it looks like, a family pack. So the second step, we've already seasoned the chicken. We've cleaned it. We seasoned it. It's about ready to go on the grill. The fire's started. We're just waiting for it to get a lot hotter. So the fire's going right now. So now let's get one of our little pots. And then what we're going to do is we're going to dump this whole bottle in here and take this out onto the kettle. And this way it'll be warm, but we'll be able to brush it on the chicken, dip the chicken, whatever we want to do with the chicken. I'm thinking we're going to dip the chicken. I'm not sure yet. So we'll take a look and see. Let's open this up here. But right now, let's get this open and ready for the grill. There we go. This whole thing's going in. Whole bottle. Oops. I've never tasted this. Oh, that's delicious. And that's sugar-free. Yay. And it's very mapley. So let's get this ready to go outside. As soon as the chicken's at a certain point of cooking, we're going to dunk each piece in here. And then we're going to put it back on the grill to caramelize. Hopefully. This is all an experiment. I'm just kind of trying it out myself first time. I saw somebody else do it and it looked delicious, looked beautiful. So let's see if this works. Guys, there you go. They're on the grill. They're seasoned. Time to go get the maple syrup. 500 degrees in that kettle. It's roasting hot. You can see the heat coming out. Look at that. Yeah, and it smells amazing. Unbelievable. I know this recipe is going to be awesome. We're dunking every lollipop in the sugar-free maple syrup and putting it back on the grill. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Which one am I going to try? Let's try this one right here. You guys ready? Here we go. Wow. It's burning my mouth. That Nashville Hot with the maple sweet. Sweet and hot is my favorite combination. Salty and sweet's good too, but sweet and hot's better. This is so good. Unbelievable. So I'm going to try this combination on steak and on ribs and other things. But I got to tell you, this came out great. Oh, it's hot. Where's my water? Oh, well, I got to go get some water. Oh, the burn feels so good. Take care.